let's welcome one of the Asia's top model cycle 2, the model of the Divine Apparel, and here at the catwalk under runaway fashion with the Divine Apparel, her dress, her face is from the creator of the Divine Apparel, the founder, Sylvain Plamius. Here at the runway, she gonna run or walk at the catwalk runway. She is Freya Ive Maturan.
This girl ranger, I never back to any.
Kanta ka ulit, kanta ka ulit. Kanta ka ulit, kanta ka ulit.
Ha?
Kanta ka ulit, halika. Kanta ka ulit, sige to. Applause.
Applause, 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 Hamilton. Applause, applause, Hamilton. Applause, applause.
Gini ka.
Hey, little gentleman, here's a sweat. Applause, applause, applause.
The applause, slavery, applause.
Applause, slavery. Hey, little gentleman, here's for me. Applause, applause, applause. In the window, in the pond, in the torda, in the torda. I've been having in the bottom.